Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you a quick way to install this pre-ordered door. Okay, we're going to use a hot glue gun, and you're going to have to be pretty quick about this when you install it.
Tell them where.
Alright, we're going to put hot glue in each one of the corners going all the way around. Just a small amount. Put the bottom in first. And then press it in place and hold it until it cools.
Don't take long. A matter of about 15 seconds, it'll be firm enough to let it go.
Alright, so that's how you install the door for the exterior.
Hold that into your frame.
Okay, so for the interior part of the frame, we put masking tape on the back of it to hold it in place before we add it to the interior door. Once you have the masking tape on it, trim the excess off around the corners. Then you're going to put glue in between the seams, just a very, very little bit though, and let it dry. With the masking tape on the one side, it should bend like a hinge. And then you just put a small amount of glue right in there. Wipe off the excess. We're going to do the frame on the inside. And we have an extra piece of wood that we're going to end up clamping from side to side where the window is to hold it on there until it dries. So you just want to put a little bit of glue on the exterior or the back side of the window, the frame. Don't overdo it.
Should get some on here. This is the part that goes up against the frame. That's good.
All right.
Remember, it's got to be on the edge. There you go. On the edge of the door, it's got to come this way. Right there.
All right, that looks about even. Push that bottom in.
This gotta go right there.
All right, now you're just going to straighten it out.
I'm trying to get the same reveal on each side. It's hard to see at this angle. All right, go ahead. Good. I got the strip.
All right. Now you're just going to clamp your piece of wood that you have down.
Don't make
do
it
it
real
tight because you'll mess up your siding.
Yeah. Just enough to hold it till it dries.
A good 15 minutes should be good enough for it to secure it
in
place. But that's it. That's all you need to do. Alright, let it dry and it'll be ready. Thanks a lot for watching, and follow Dollhouse Miniature Madness and Tutorials on Facebook for more DIY. Now once you have it there, you need to clamp it with a pressure piece going across like a T and attaching it to the other side.
Wedge.
Like wedging it in there so that it can dry.